What's up guys, you're watching another video, another 350Z video today. A video that I've been waiting for. We're finally throwing on the new wheels, the new Conte wheels. Huge shout out to Conte wheels again. We have Conte wheels on the E46 and now we're rocking them on the 350Z. All the boxes right here that are empty. I don't know how, but somehow we fit all 4 wheels in the little 350Z. We got one in the trunk, one right here, and then 2 in the front seat. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna swap these tires that are on these wheels right now onto those. They should fit perfectly. I'm hoping they fit perfectly, and I'm hoping the wheels fit nicely too. I'm scared that those wheels are wider than these and I'm not gonna be able to drive the car home, but wish me luck guys. I hope everything goes well and I hope we can fit them right. Hopefully they don't rub too bad. It never works out perfect. We always go through some kind of problems. These wheels do look good though. Sheesh, I can't wait to throw these on, bro. Like, it's gonna look crazy. I also really have to buy a starter for this car, guys. I'm probably gonna do that this week because I cannot be pushing the car like this every single time. It's gonna be so embarrassing over there right now. I'm gonna have them help me push the car to start it once we leave. Good thing my driveway just slopes down. Look, I don't even need to push it. Put it in reverse, pop the clutch. Loud ass exhaust. All right guys, we just made it to the homie pet shop. Like always, Bob's and Al's tires. If you guys need any tires or anything, Pets is the plug. But we're just gonna swap these tires onto the new wheels. I also gotta come get my GTR tires, but they're out of stock, bro, so he's ordering them for me. Shit was a pain in the ass to put it up because it's just way too low, bro. They had to use like 6 jacks to lift this car up. We really gotta raise the car, guys. I hate how low it is. It's embarrassing, bro. I can't even get in the driveways. It rubs on everything. Bro, it looks so freaking good. That looks crazy, dude. Bro, these wheels look so much better. I love the polished lip too. It literally looks so good, bro. I feel like the face matches the paint perfectly. Even though we're not keeping this color on the car, it looks pretty good with this color. Guys, isn't it starting to look like a freaking drift build? I feel like a Z already automatically looks like a drift car, but the way it's set up, it's looking like a drift car, guys. From the wheels to the interior. We even got spare wheels inside, looking like we're about to go to the drift track. The interior is my favorite, just because it's pretty clean. The exterior is what needs some work, but at least we got some new wheels on it. The new wheels make it look nice. Brand new wheels making it look a little more expensive. Next up is just the bodywork and wrap it, bro. But yeah, these wheels look sick. I love the freaking lips. The polished lip is my favorite, dude. I don't know if you guys can see that, but hopefully the front fits. I feel like it's gonna rub right now. I don't think it's gonna fit. The rear should fit nicely. Maybe add a little spacer, but the front, I don't know. It's gonna be the moment of truth once we lower the car, because I don't think that's gonna fit, bro. Sheesh. I think the previous wheel setup we had was a 9.5 in the front. And these are 10.5. So they're a lot wider, bro. At least an inch wider. God damn, bro. Look at that. It does look good slammed. Oh, does it fit? It's not all the way down yet, but this is kind of the height that I want it to be at. It's about to go down a lot lower. But yeah, guys, I think if we lower it to like that height, it'll be nice. But that shit looks nice like that, dude. That shit looks perfect. It literally looks perfect, bro. Wheels and the bumper made a huge difference, dude. It already looks like a completely different Z. Look, they got like a C8 over here too. He says they're lowering it and putting powder coated wheels on it. It's pretty sick. Those cars are sick, bro. They look pretty exotic. Like, it doesn't even look like a Corvette. I think I have a video of Emily. Emily calling one of these a McLaren or something. Watch. I'll play the video right here if I can find it. What is it? Bro.
A Lamborghini.
It's a Lambo? There's no way, dude.
It's a Corvette?
Yes. A McLaren? She thought it was a McLaren first. Now it's a Lambo. She thought it was something like a McLaren, I don't know, but it honestly does. It looks a little exotic or something. If you took off the logos and had someone guess, it does look like something like that. Bro, this car is way too low. It does look good. Like, I wish I could drive it this low, but it's not possible, guys. It looks so bad. Well, guys, there it is. The new wheels are on. It looks so freaking good. I can't get over it, bro. Like, honestly, it looks insane. I actually love how low it is, but God, I can't drive it like that. I don't know, maybe it would be nice to drive like that. Like, honestly, it looks really freaking good, especially the front. Like, the fitment on the front looks so sick. But guys, it's impossible. Like, it just sounds so bad everywhere I go. It rubs everywhere. Here, so you guys can get an idea of how much it rubs. Just listen. If I just try to turn the car a little bit, it's rubbing like crazy. Bro, it's literally rubbing on everything. Freaking trumpet, bro. Hopefully tomorrow we can throw the exhaust on. Every single day I'm trying to do something on the Z. So yesterday we put the bumper on, today we threw the wheels on. Tomorrow hopefully we throw the exhaust on. Look at this, guys. Oh, dude. Wanna watch the monster trucks, bro? Where are they at? Where are the monster trucks at?
A blessing and a curse. The drivers are loving
Where we at, Emily? We're about to see hella monster trucks, guys. Where are they at? Oh, these shits are loud! That shit will be so fun, bro! Really drifty. Well, that was crazy. I don't know how he saved it.
This is a fun show.
How the hell did he do that? Bro, what?
Look at that balance, look at that truck awareness.
He's literally upside down, bro. That was crazy.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.